Five real estate investing strategies try to in 2024. Four. Number one, invest in real rental properties. Investing in Nashville rental properties can be awesome strategies to generating passive income, building long-term wealth. One approach is to focus on residential rental property. This could include single family home, condos, or a multi unit building. These properties can provide a steady rental income while also allowing a property appreciation over time. It's crucial and carefully selecting the properties to stop natural location with the strong rental demand and the positive cash flow potential. Number two, house hacking. The concept involves purchasing a multi-unit property such as duplex, triplex, and fourplex, then living in one unit, rental out the other. One of the primary benefit of house hacking is potential to significantly offset your monthly housing costs or even turn a profit. By renting out the additional unit, you can use the rental income to cover investment property, mortgage, and property taxes, insurance, and any other expenses. Number three, look at different property types. You don't have to just stick on the residential property. Commercial properties such as office building, retail center, and industry warehouse offer a higher rental yield and the potential for the larger scale investment. Commercial real estate investment often involve a longer lease term and the more complex leasing arrangement, but can provide stable cash flow and the portfolio diversification. Number four, crowdfund loans. With crowdfund funding, investor pool the resources through online platform to fund real estate project, typically in exchange for fixed interest payment or a share of project of profit. That's why you won't have to spend all of your free income. Last and fifth, get help. Once gateway to improve your real estate investing to get help. Nurture property to manager can ensure every property to you snap up in the tip to share. Thank you for watching this video.